Hey there, so you're getting ready to move into a new home. That's really exciting. Moving can be a big task, but with a little planning and the right strategy, it should be smooth and stress-free. Stick around and I'll share some tips on how to organize and execute your move like a pro. Hi there, my name is Susan Cassidy with Coldwell Banker, and today we are talking about a topic that almost all of my clients, myself included, have in common. We're moving. Now let's face it, nobody likes to move. Even if you're excited about a new home, new town, new job, whatever the adventure you are embarking on is, the act of moving itself is usually looked upon with dread and loathing. But it doesn't have to be that way. So to minimize the angst, let's start with the golden rule of moving. Plan ahead. From the moment you know you'll be moving, set up a timeline, mark key dates, and create a checklist of things to do. Start with your moving date and work your way backwards. This helps to ensure nothing gets missed. With this in mind, here are some key things to think about and budget for. Book your moving company or rental truck early. And remember, if you are selling your home, you should plan to be completely out and house broom clean at least 24 hours before the closing. This leaves plenty of time for a walkthrough and alleviates a lot of last-minute stress. Will you need a hotel room for a day or two between leaving one home and moving into another? And does it need to take pets? The earlier you book it, the better the rate. Do you need a storage unit or some kind of a pod? Do you need to line up helpers for your moving day? And do you need to schedule time off work in order to get this done? Next up is decluttering. As soon as you start considering a move, even if it's months or even years away, go through each room, especially attics and other storage areas, and decide what to keep, donate, sell, or throw away. This will not only reduce the amount of stuff you need to pack, but it also gives you a fresh start in your new home. And it happens to be the first step in staging your home for sale. So you may as well get it out of the way. One other bonus, it spreads out the process over a long period of time, making packing feel less overwhelming. Watch out though, time has a habit of slipping away. But I have to say from personal experience, there is nothing better than a good stuff purge. It's actually cathartic. So here are some tips for decluttering. Ask yourself these questions about each item you pick up. Do you love it? Do you use it? And use the 1-year rule for this. If you haven't used it in a year, it's probably time to let it go. Is it in good working condition? Do you display it in your current home? Do you have space or a need for it in your new home? Is it a family item, antique, heirloom, or other sentimental item? Do you have a good reason to store it away for future use? As you go through this process, sort items into labeled boxes or areas. Keep, donate, sell, trash. If you're up for it, hold a garage sale to make some extra cash. And in lieu of donating, there's probably a buy nothing or free cycle group on Facebook for your area. This is a great way to pass things on without making multiple trips to the local thrift store, especially if it's something like furniture or another large item that you have no way to transport easily. Now let's talk about the actual packing. Start packing non-essential items first. This is logical. Label your boxes clearly with the room it belongs to and a brief description of what's inside. Trust me, this will make unpacking so much easier. Write detailed inventories of what is in each box separately, where it came from, where it's going. I actually provide my clients with a moving binder for this purpose with inventory sheets in it. Now remember, most moving companies charge by the hour, so the more organized your day, the more it will save you in time, money, and frustration. Make sure you use quality packing materials to pack your items. Pack an essentials box with everything you'll need for the first few days. Think toiletries, clothes, basic kitchen items. Color code your boxes by room for easy identification by both you and the moving company. One thing that often slips people's minds is handling utilities. Make sure that you schedule utilities like electricity, water, gas, and internet to be disconnected at your old place and connected at your new home. Doing this ahead of time avoids any last-minute hassles. And don't forget to update your address with the post office, notify banks, subscriptions, and other service providers that you're moving, and arrange for final utility readings to avoid unexpected bills. Now, the big day is here. It's moving day. Here are some things to keep in mind. Keep a checklist handy to ensure all tasks are covered. A clipboard and a pencil behind your ear could be a good look. But seriously, here are some quick tips to help you stay on track. Start early, stay hydrated, make sure you eat. Have a list of the things that are not going in the moving truck. Plants and particularly delicate or sentimental items may be better off in your car. Keep valuable documents and items with you as well. You'll need to do a final walkthrough of your old home to ensure nothing is left behind. Check every closet, drawer, and cabinet. Oh, and don't forget places like the dishwasher, washer, and dryer. No one wants your dirty dishes, and I often find things in those areas when attending walkthroughs with my buyer clients. And there you have it. By planning ahead, decluttering, organizing your packing, scheduling utilities, and handling moving day with a plan, you can turn your move into a smooth, stress-free experience. I'm Susan Cassidy, and I hope these tips help you with your move. They're helping me with mine. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to reach out or drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. Good luck with your move. And if you want to, please make sure you subscribe to my channel or like this video so you can see my next video. Chat soon. Bye.